you me fear fuck, we need for rock rough. Boom pam body like bad.
Gyal a wine and get high and Mali. She a sing and a ride.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for FollowIG TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Bombs, boom like bomb, the place a tear down. You know shot like gun.
That is it, vybz genah. Me love that look they see ladies them. No joke. The ladies them all love you for that. Believe no man. Yes man, I mean I say viewers and subscriber, this song title Boom. You see me? And that song you have the ladies them, you know. You don't know say artist name vybz genah, you know. You can find him Vivo at one breeze Vivo. You see pre. Yeah man, and the artist a whole heap of song him have, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, he's an artist where he's a hardcore artist. Right now, me even surprised to hear him sing one girl tune, cause the man they sing some darkness, you see me? So it's a good look for you, Breezy. You see, pre, I don't know, FollowIG TV Entertainment. Don't. Yes, man. I don't know, say, two artists me I go review, you know. I two songs them me I go review. I feel ladies them. So you don't know the thing going on. So me I talk about vybz genah right now. I mean I say I sat them go on one little stage show said way, you know, and the dog he did there, you know. And the dog are doing things said way. You see me? Big up yourself, you know, me G. Yes man. So yeah man, and step to the artist and the artist do the right thing. You see what me I say? So me appreciate them thing there. So me I say big up the man them where support the artist and they will run the artist. Just go and motivate the artist. You see me? Cause he's a powerful artist, you know man. You see me? And the artist I get all a fight cause him a one underrated artist. Cause the artist have reached far. You see me? Cause when I time I'm on craft them me see a far and thing and look like you never look like how if you look, but we never go did that, so you see me? I dog music we are talk about, so I want to know if you go over and Vivo, go listen to him song when he drop name Boom. You see me? He dropped 10 days ago. You don't know FollowIG TV Entertainment that's sending over there. I mean I say vybz genah, go and do the right thing, you know, about the artist. You don't know a thing going on. Vibes out here, you know, man. You see me? On Jeds, you know the thing go. Half Gian. You see me? So they are going to hold them said way. So go and do the right thing. I mean I tell you say ladies them all love you for that one, yeah. No joke, I can give them something for dance off. You see what I say? Yes man.
Boom pam body, boom, boom. Turn around and boom.
Young campaign. Y'all just drop when me pop champagne.
Zig to the zag. Bumbleclad, you damn tough artist. Big up yourself, you know. I say viewers and subscriber. This song titled Bricks. You see me? I don't know, say a be ladies in another video go on it. Be a thing. So I want to know guys to just go over there, go listen to the artist. Yeah man, cause the artist I know. Me just come across the artist I know. Yeah man, you don't know my cousin send the artist my side and me check him out and me say alright, me will give artist a one review. So me say big up yourself, you know, cause you know a thing going on, man. She say you help me do me thing, you see me? Cause not enough people do them thing there, you see it? Yeah man, the dog find artist and make me do review at time, same way. Say check out the artist and see if you can drop a review. So I swear that I go to work, so I respect that same way. Sometimes I want like a motivation you want, you know. So I say viewers and subscriber, I want to know go over artist Vivo same way, you know. Zig to the zag, you know. You see me? No joke. And go listen out this catalog a song them we have over there. You see me? As me say that song I went drop 9 months ago, I recent song we have still, I latest song that, you see me? But me I say, it a go on with something in it. The artist a chat something, so I want to know go over there, go give me support. You see, pre, I don't know FollowIG TV Entertainment over here, so I want to know guys, for just remember to like, share, subscribe to FollowIG TV Entertainment. And don't be afraid to find me Instagram at FollowIG_TV or my TikTok FollowIG_TV. Send some artists across the platform when me do my work. You see, pre, at least me ask for you know, and me want to know if you share up me video them one time you see them job. You see me, help me grow. You see me, cause you don't know, so we there, you know, we on a mission, you and I hear me now, we there work with the underground artists, them said we, you see me, and from the artists them a put in the work, you don't know, say, we are go tune in, you see me. Yes man, we done touch the bell them already, so anything where them drop, we know and we tune in and do the right thing. So I want to know guys to just do the right thing and support FollowIG TV Entertainment. Madam mean.
Then the bitchy. And I just phone talk a brain work, you have to know the street craft.
Full no mix up with the face clean skin. To show you not mums.